Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to our online maths class. In our previous class, we have discussed about, do you remember what have been discussed in the previous class? What has been discussed? Yes, in our previous class, we have discussed the multiplication by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Isn't it? How to multiply a given number by 100. For multiplying a given number by 100, what we have to do? What we have to do for multiplying a given number? Suppose we have to multiply 25 into 100. What we have to do? What is the easy way? Do we need to multiply like this? 100 into 25. Do we need to multiply like this? Not at all. So what we have to do? What is to be done for multiplying a given number by 100? Yes, just write the given number and put two zeros on the right side of that number, isn't it? Why we put two zeros here? Yes, in 100 there are two zeros, so two zeros have to be put here also. Understood? This much easy, isn't it? Okay, hope you all understood that well. Now let's discuss about the multiplication of a given number by, don't write anything, just listen carefully. Let's discuss about the multiplication of a given number by 20, 200, 2000, etc. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the multiplication of a given number by 20, 200, 2000, etc. Okay. So let's try to multiply. Suppose we have to multiply 14 into 200. Don't write, just listen carefully. Suppose we have to multiply 14 into 200. For this, what we have to do is that first we have to multiply 14 into 2. Clear? First we have to multiply what? First we have to multiply 14 into 2. Then we will get one answer. Isn't it? With that answer, put two zeros. Why two zeros here? Because in 200 there are two zeros. Okay. In 200 there are how many zeros? Yes, in 200 there are two zeros. So for multiplying a given number 14 by 200, what we have to do is that first we have to multiply 14 into 2. Okay. Then we put two zeros on the right side of the answer. What is the answer? 14 into 2. That has to be done in the working column. 14 into 2 is what? 4 2s are 8, 1 2s are 2. So 14 into 2. Instead of this 14 into 2, can we write 28? Can we write 28 instead of 14 into 2? Yes, we can write. So 14 into 2 is equal to 28. With this 28, we have to put how many zeros? Two zeros. So what is the answer? 14 into 200 means the final answer is 2800. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma 2800. Got it? Understood? Let's discuss some more examples. Suppose we have to multiply 31 into 2000. What is our question? Don't write, just listen carefully. 31 into 2000. For this, can you say what we have to do? What is to be done for this? What has to be done for this? Yes, for multiplying this, first we have to multiply 31 into 2. Okay, 31 into 2. So we will get one answer here. With this answer, how many zeros need to be put? Yes, we have to put how many zeros? 3 zeros. Why? In 2000 there are how many zeros? In 2000 there are 3 zeros. Isn't it? So first we have to multiply 31 into 2 and with this answer put how many zeros? Yes, 3 zeros. Okay. Yes, now let's try to multiply 31 into 2 in the working column. 31 into 2 in the working column. 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. So what is the answer? Instead of this 31 into 2, we can write, yes, 62. With the 62, how many zeros need to be put? How many zeros have to be put? 3 zeros. We have to put 3 zeros with this answer. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Why 3 zeros? Yes, in 2000 there are 3 zeros. Okay. How to read this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. How many thousand? 62,000. What is the answer? 62,000. Got it? Easy, isn't it? So let's try to answer how to multiply. How to multiply 8 into 20,000. 8 into, this is 20,000. 8 into 20,000. How to multiply this? 8 into 20,000. Okay, for this what we have to do? Yes, first we have to multiply 8 into 2. 8 into 2. With this answer, how many zeros? How many zeros? Yes, 4 zeros. Why 4 zeros? Yes, in 20,000 there are 4 zeros. Okay. 8 into 2 can be multiplied in our mind. 8 2s are 16. With 16, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros have to be put. So place the commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma. How to read this number? 1,60,000 is our answer. Have you understood? Yes. So we have discussed the multiplication by 20, 200, 2000, etc. In the similar way, we can do the multiplication with 30, 300, 3000, etc. also. Okay, this also can be done in a similar way. So can you say how to multiply? Okay, how to multiply 7 into 300. How to multiply 7 into 300? Yes, for this first we have to multiply 7 into 3, and with this answer how many zeros? How many zeros? Yes, 2 zeros. Why? In 300 there are 2 zeros. 7 3s are 21 and 2 zeros with this. 1s, 10s, 100s, comma, 2100 is the answer. Have you understood? Okay. Okay, now please write down the note first, then we can do the exercise. Okay, please write down multiplication by 20. Before start writing, mention today's date on the upper portion of your margin. Okay, write down neatly. Multiplication by 20, 200, 2000, 20, 200, 2000, etc. Okay. First write down. First one. For multiplying a given number by 20. For multiplying a given number by 20, first we have to multiply it with 2. First we have to, what we have to do? First we have to multiply it. First we have to multiply it with 2. Then what we have to do? Then put 1 0 on the right side of this product, isn't it? Answer of a multiplication is known as product, isn't it? Then put 1 0. Why we put 1 0 here? Yes, in 20 there is only 1 0, isn't it? Then put 1 0. Then put 1 0 on the right side of this product. Then put 1 0. Let me write 1 once again here. Then put 1 0 on the right side of this product. Right side of this product. Answer of a multiplication operation is known as product. Okay. Example. Let's try some example. 6 into 20 means what? Example A, 6 into 20, have to multiply? Yes, first we have to multiply 6 into 2, and with with this answer, how many zeros? Only one zero. Why? In 20 there is only one zero, equal to 6 2s are 12, isn't it? And 1 0 means what is the answer? 120, isn't it? Now let's discuss example B, 31 into 200. B, the question is 31 into 200. Can you say how to find out this? How to find out 31 into 200? For this, what we have to do? Yes, for finding this, first we have to multiply 31 into 2, isn't it? Yes, first we have to multiply 31 into 2. And with this answer, how many zeros? How many zeros? Yes, 2 zeros. Why? In 200 there are 2 zeros. Okay, let's try to multiply 31 into 2 in the working column. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Okay, so instead of this we can write 62. And how many zeros with 62? 2 zeros. How to write this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, comma 6200, isn't it? Okay, let's discuss one more. Okay, sorry, we have to discuss the multiplication by 20 now. So please correct the question as 31 into 20. Okay, please correct that question as, okay, correct that question as 31 into 20 and do accordingly. Okay, see 42 or 44. We can write 44 into 20. 44 into 20. How to do 44 into 20? Please correct the previous question as 31 into 20, not 200. 31 into 20. Okay. Please correct the question number B as 31 into 20. Then the answer will be 620. 620 will be the answer then. Okay. Please correct it because we are doing the multiplication by 20 now. Okay. Now for this, what we have to do? How to multiply 44 into 20? For this, first we have to multiply 44 into 2, and with this product or with this answer, how many zeros? 1 0, isn't it? Yes. Why 1 0 here? Because in 20 there is only 1 0. So please try to multiply 44 into 2 in the working column. What is the answer? 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. So what is the answer? Yes, 88. Instead of this, we can write 88 and 1 0. So what is the final answer? 880. Got it? Okay, now Roman number 2. Now we have discussed the multiplication by 20. Now let's discuss the multiplication by 200. Roman number 2. 4 multiplying 4 multiplying, this is why, okay, 4 multiplying a given number by a given number, 4 multiplying a given number by 200. What we have to do first? Yes, first we have to multiply it with a 2, isn't it? Then how many zeros? 2 zeros on the right side. Okay, first we have to multiply it with what? 2, isn't it? And then put how many zeros? 2 zeros, isn't it? And then put 2 zeros, then put 2 zeros on the right side of this product, right? Then put 2 zeros on the right side right side of this product, isn't it? Okay. Now let's discuss the examples. Example A. Have you understood how to do this? Yes, first multiply the given number into 2, then put 2 zeros on the right side of the product or answer. Okay. Examples A. 24 into 200. How to multiply 24 into 200? For this, what we have to do? Yes, first we have to multiply 24 into 2, isn't it? First we have to multiply 24 into 2. And with this answer, how many zeros? How many zeros with this answer? Yes, 2 zeros. Why? In 200, there are 2 zeros, isn't it? So, how to do 24 into 2? Please multiply in the working column. 24 into 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 twos are 4. So, what is the answer? With 48, how many zeros? 2 zeros. How to read this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. Yes, 4,800. Okay. Example B. Write down example B. Okay, now let's write example B. Question is 23 into 200. How to multiply 23 into 200? For this, what we have to do? Yes, first we have to multiply 23 into 2. And with this answer, how many zeros? 2 zeros. Why 2 zeros here? Yes, in 200 there are 2 zeros, isn't it? So let's multiply 23 into 2 in the working column. 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4. So what is our answer, required answer? 46. 2 zeros means ones, tens, hundreds, comma 4,600. Isn't it? Let's try to do example C. 9 into 200. How to multiply 9 into 200? Yes, first multiply 9 into 2. That means 9 twos are 18. With 18, how many zeros? 2 zeros, isn't it? In 200, there are 2 zeros. So, with 18, 2 zeros. How to read this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,800. Here, comma, before this 8, comma. How to read this number? 1,800, or we can say 1,800. Okay. Now, Roman number 3. For multiplying a given number by 2,000, what we have to do first? Yes, first we have to multiply it with 2, isn't it? Roman number 3. For multiplying a given number by for multiplying a given number by 2,000, what we have to do first? Yes, first we have to multiply it with 2. First, we have to multiply it with 2. And then, how many zeros? Yes, 3 zeros. We have to put 2 zeros. With this answer, we have to, on the right side of this answer, we have to put 3 zeros, isn't it? And then put how many zeros? Yes, 3 zeros. Put 3 zeros on the right side of this product. Put 3 zeros on the right side 3 zeros on the right side of this product. Okay, 3 zeros on the right side of this product. Okay, yes. So let's try to do some examples. Example A. Have you understood how to multiply by 220, 200, 2000, etc.? Is it clear now? Yes. Example A. 42 into, this is A, okay, 42 into 2000. How to do this multiplication? How to do this? For doing this, first we have to multiply 42 into 2, isn't it? 42 into 2. Yes, 42 into 2. Then with this answer, how many zeros? Yes, 3 zeros. Why 3 zeros? In 2000 there are 3 zeros. Okay, isn't it? So first multiply 42 into 2 in the working column. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 84. With 84, how many zeros? 3 zeros. So what is our answer? How to read this number? 1s, 10s, 100s, 1000, 10,000, 84,000. Got it? Second one, 7 into 2000. How to multiply 7 into 2000? Yes, first 7 into 2. Then with this answer, how many zeros? Yes, 3 zeros. First 7 into 2. And with this answer, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So what is it? 7 2s are 14 and 3 zeros. How to read this number? 1s, 10s, 100s, 1000, 10,000, 14,000. Got it? Any doubt? Yeah, okay. Now let's do one more example. Example C. The question is, the question is 16 into 2000. How to multiply 16 into 2000? For this, what we have to do? Yes, first we have to multiply 16 into 2. Then with this answer, how many zeros? Yes, 3 zeros, isn't it? That's equal to, please multiply 16 into 2 in the working column. 16 into 2. 6 2s are 12. 12 2 here, balance 1 again here, balance 1 here. That's also the working column, okay. Then 1 2s are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Do you remember the multiplication? Okay, yes. 32. And with this answer, how many zeros? 3 zeros. How to read this number? 1s, 10s, 100s, 1000, 10,000, 32,000. Got it? Okay. Down this example, please write and so on. And so on means, similarly, we can write the numbers by 20,000, 2 lakh, etc. Okay? And down you please write and so on, or no need write, that's understood. Okay, similarly, down we can write similarly the multiplication by similarly multiplication by 20,000, 2 lakh, say, etc. Then next number 30, 300, 3,000, etc. can also be done. In the same way, we can multiply the numbers by 300, 3,000, etc. also. How to multiply 300 a number by 300, 3,000, etc. How to multiply a given number by 300? For that, what we have to do? Yes, for that, what we have to do? First, we have to multiply that number into 3, then with the answer 2 0, isn't it? Have you understood? Hope you understood it well. Now let's move on to our last exercise of this lesson multiplication. After this, you will be having a class test. Okay. Last exercise of the lesson multiplication. Exercise, I think it is, we are doing which lesson now? Yes, this is our fourth lesson. And I think it is exercise 4C. Okay. Now let's write it as exercise 4C. If there is any correction, please correct it properly. Okay. Please correct it properly accordingly. So write down first question. Multiply the given numbers by 10,000. Multiply the given numbers by 10,000. This is 10,000. The question is multiply the given numbers by 10,000. Okay. So let's try to do. The question is 492. How to multiply this number by 10,000? Let me write the answer here. You can write it down. How to multiply this? Yes, 492 into 10,000. How to do the answer? First, we have to write this 492, isn't it? 492. With this, how many zeros have to be put? 4 zeros. Why? In 10,000, there are 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. How to read this answer? Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma. So, what is the answer? 49,20,000, isn't it? 49,20,000 is the answer. Okay. Now, let's try to do B. The question, we have done many examples while writing the notes. That also have to be learned. Now, write down example B. The question is 57. How to multiply 57 into 10,000? Yes, just try to do 57. This is not 67. The question is 57. 57 into 10,000. How to do this? Yes, first we have to write 57. With this 57, how many zeros? 4 zeros. Why? In 10,000 there are 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. How to read this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma. What is the answer? 5,70,000 is the answer. Okay. Now let's multiply C. 8. How to do the answer? 8 into 10,000. What is the answer? 8 into 10,000. How to do? Yes, first we have to write 8. Then how many zeros with 8? 1, 2, 3, 4. How to read this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000. So answer is 80,000, isn't it? Note down the homeworks from this session. Note down the homework. D, E, F are homeworks. Very easy, no? Okay, D. Question is 14 into 14 is the question. That means we have to find 14 into 10,000. Homework. E, homework. 25. F also homework. 99. F also homework. 99. Sorry, not 99. It is 9. Got it? Okay. Now let's try to do the second question. Multiply the given numbers by, we have done some examples of 20, etc. Okay. 3,000 or 300. Question number 2. Multiply the given numbers by 300. Multiply the given numbers by 300. The question is 15. Question is 15. How to multiply 15 into 300? We have to multiply 15 into 300. How to multiply 15 into 300? Yes, first we have to multiply 15 into 3, isn't it? First we have to multiply 15 into 3. With this answer, how many zeros? Yes, 2 zeros. Why? In 300 there are 2 zeros. So, find out 15 into 3 in the working column. Okay, 15 into 3. 3 5s are 15. 15's 5 here, balance 1. Balance 1 in the working column. And 1 3s are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 45, isn't it? So, this is equal to with 45. How many zeros? Here 2 zeros. 1, 2. Okay, how to read this number? 1s, 10s, 100s, comma. The number is 4500. Got it? Okay, B, the question is 24. B, the question is 24. How to multiply 24 into 300? How to multiply 24 into 300? For this, what we have to do? Yes, for this, what we have to do? First, we have to multiply 24 into 3. And with this answer, how many zeros? Yes, 2 zeros. Okay. So, in the working column, we have to multiply what? Yes, 24 into 3 in the working column. How to do? 3 4s are 12. 12's 2 here, balance 1 in the working column. Isn't it? This is the working column. Okay. 3. Then we have to multiply 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Isn't it? 3 4s are 12. 12's 2 here, balance 1 in the working column. Then 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So answer is 72. With this 72, how many zeros? Yes, 2 zeros. So how to read this number? 1s, 10s, 100s, comma. So this answer is 7200. Got it? Now let's do C. C, the question is 112 into 300. C, the question is 112 into 300. Answer, how to do this? Sorry, the number is 112. So we have to find out 112 into 300. 112 into 300. How to do? Yes, for this we have to multiply 112 into which number? 3. Yes, with this answer, how many zeros? Yes, 2 zeros. Why? In 300 there are 3 zeros, no, 2 zeros. Why? In 300 there are 2 zeros. So, in the working column we have to multiply what? Yes, 112 into 3, isn't it? This multiplication has to be done in the working column. 2 3s are 6, 1 3s are 3, 1 3s are 3. So, instead of this 112 into 6, we can write 336. And with this answer, how many zeros? 2 zeros, isn't it? How to read this number? 1s, 10s, 100s, comma, 1000, 10,000. So, what is the answer? 33,600. Okay? Yes. Now, do homeworks from this session. D, E, F are homeworks. Or D, E, and F. D, 9 into 300. 9 is the question. So, we have to find out 9 into, you have to find out 9 into 300. E, the question is 8. 8 into 300. This has to be found. Okay. Now move on to question number 3. Multiply the given numbers by 40. Multiply the given numbers by 40. Multiply the given numbers. Multiply the given numbers by 40. Okay, let's try to do A. Multiply 9 is the question. How to multiply 9 into 40? Can you say how to multiply 9 into 40? Yes, our question is 9 into 40. How to multiply 9 into 40? Yes, here for multiplying 9 into 40, what we have to do? First we have to multiply 9 into 4, isn't it? First we have to multiply 9 into 4. And with this product, how many zeros? Only one zero, isn't it? Why in 40, how many zeros are there? Only one zero is there in 40. So what is the answer? 9 into 4, 9 fours are 36, isn't it? And with this 36, how many zeros? Only one zero. So what is our final answer? 360 is the final answer. What is our final answer? 360 is the final answer. Got it? Okay, you please write neatly. Okay, 300. Okay, let me write here. The answer is 360. You please write it down. I have no space. That's why 360 is the final answer. Okay. Now let's try to do B. Try to do B. The question is 55 is the question. So here what we have to find out? Yes, 55 into 40. How to do 55 into 40? Can you say? How to do 55 into 40? Yes, how to do 55 into 40? Yes, first we have to multiply 55 into 4. And with this answer, how many zeros? First we have to multiply 55 into 4. With this answer, how many zeros? Only one zero. So, please try to multiply in the working column. 55 into 4. 4 5s are 20. 20 is 0 here. Balance 2 in the working column. This is a working column. This is a working column. Okay. And again 4 5s are 20. 20 plus this 2. Balance 2 in the working column. Okay. 4 5s are 20. Balance 2 in the working column. This is working column. Okay. Then again 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2. 22. So what is 55 into 4? 220. So now we got 54 into 4 as 220. And with this answer, how many zeros? 1 0. So how to rate this number? This is the final answer. How to rate this number? 1s, 10s, 100s, 2200 is the answer. Okay. Now let's multiply 6 into 40. See, or let's try 16 into 40. See, the question is 16. So what we have to find out here? Yes, 16 into 40, isn't it? How to find out 16 into 40? For this, what we have to do? How to find out 16 into 40? What we have to do for this? First, we have to multiply 16 into 4, isn't it? First, we have to multiply 16 into 4. And with this, how many zeros? Only one zero. Why? Yes, in 16 there is only, in 40 there is only one zero. Okay. So, first find out 16 into 4 in the working column. 16 into 4, isn't it? 6 4s are 24. 24 is 4 here, balance 2 in the working column. 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 2. 5, 6. So, what is the answer? 64 here. And with 64, we have to put how many zeros? 1 0. So, our final answer is 640. D is homework. Try to do 12 into 40. This is homework. Okay, got it? Now we have written question number 3. We have completed this. Hope you understood the multiplication well. Try to do the homework today itself. Do the works regularly. Thank you. Have a nice day.